JetBlue 2071, runway 10 left, taxi via November, Quebec, Charlie.
10 left via November, Quebec, Charlie for JetBlue 2071.
American 15, heavy radar contacts, the altitude.
American 15, 4,200 feet.
American 15, thanks. Climb and maintain 16,000.
Up to 16,000. American 15 heavy.
Good afternoon, 2520, descended to 4,000 on default for Michigan.
American 2520, Miami approach, good afternoon, IDA.
IDA 2015.
98314 heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Trying to maintain 3,000 now, trying 8342.
American 2520, radar contact 6 east of Frogs. Expect the ILS runway 9 or altimeter 2983.
And American 1708 holding shoulder right, ready for departure.
American 1708, wind 100 at 9 or RNAV Jamba, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff at RNAV Jamba, American 1708.
American 15 heavy, Miami center's offline, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, see ya.
American 15, over to Unicom. We'll see ya.
Departure, Southwest 748, short of 10 left, ready to go.
Southwest 748, wind 090 at 12, gusting 16, RNAV Elbow, runway 10 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV elbow, clear for takeoff. Southwest 748.
American 1708, you rolling?
Yes, sir. American 1708 rolling.
American 2520, speed 210.
210, 2520.
American 2520 at leg, cleared the ILS runway 9 or approach.
Clear the ILS when we're down approach at leg.
At 8314, speed 210 or greater.
We're gonna hold 240 for you.
Thank you, sir.
And American 1708 out of 600 for 5,000.
American 1708, radar contact, climb and maintain 16,000. 16,000.
16,000, American 1708.
Level 748, radar contacts, altitude.
Through 1600 for Southwest 748.
Level 748, thanks, climb and maintain 16,000.
I maintain 16,000. Southwest 748.
748, American 2520 speed, 190.
190, 25.
Giant 8314 heavy, 3 miles from grit, turn right heading 060, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, clear LS9 approach.
Roger, right turn 060, maintain 3000, clear for the ILS runway 9 Giant 8314.
Giant 8314 heavy, 210 or greater till grit, and 170 or greater till NS, runway 9er, you're clear to land.
210 to grit, 170 or greater to Linus, clear to land, runway 9 Giant 8314.
Departure JetBlue 2021 will be ready at 10 left.
JetBlue 2071, roger, wind 090 at 12, gust 16, RNAV Marley, runway 10 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 10 left, RNAV Marley for JetBlue 2071.
Tell the 748 Miami Center is offline, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, see ya.
Airport Unicom, Southwest 748. Have a good evening. See you.
Miami Center, good afternoon. Citation November 2 Romeo Foxtrot 8,800, descending 6,000, Kurt 1 arrival.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, Miami approach, good evening, altimeter 2983, ident.
2983, and we're about to flash it.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, radar contact 10 north of Frogs. Do you have an approach request to Opalaka?
Yeah, can we take the RNAV for runway 09 left, OK in transition?
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, you can expect that. American 2520, number 2, following a heavy 7-4 on a 7-mile final. Watch caution, wake turbulence. You're clear to land.
Already clear to land up to American 25.
American 1708, radar service terminated. Frequency change approved. Have a good flight. Miami Center's offline.
Going over to Unicom, American 1708, adios.
JetBlue 2071, radar contacts altitude.
Passing 1000, JetBlue 2071.
Blue 2071, thanks. Climb and maintain 16,000.
16,000, JetBlue 2071.
For 2 Romeo Foxtrot, you're cleared direct O'Kane, across O'Kane at or above 1,600, cleared RNAV for runway 9 left approach.
Alright, clear direct O'Kane, cross O'Kane at or above 16,000, clear for the RNAV 09 left approach to Romeo Fox.
Romeo Foxtrot, Opalaka altimeter now 2984.
2984 to Romeo Fox.
Navy 314 Heavy, welcome to Miami, left enable. Navy 314, you going to West Cargo?
Yeah, sorry, we got some weird brake issues. We just joined Tango off Tango 8.
Navy 314 Heavy, no problem. You can taxi to Western Cargo via Tango Yankee Sierra. Have a good night.
Tanky Yankee. Sorry, let's say, okay. Tango Yankee Sierra into the ramp, 8314, we'll see it.
Blue 2071 radar contact lost. Number two Romeo Foxtrot, winds at Opalaka 080 at 7, runway 9 left, cleared line.
Runway 9 or left, cleared to land, 2 Romeo Fox.
This is Delta 110, ready to copy IFR clearance to Havana with information. Yankee, student pilot, this is my first time connecting to that sim.
Delta 110, roger. It looks like you filed a flight plane at Delta Alpha Bravo. Try refiling for your correct call sign there, sir.
Repeat again, sorry. My English is not that good. I'm from Cuba.
Delta 110, refile your flight plan under Delta 110. You filed under Delta Alpha Bravo 110.
Roger, I'm refiling the plan right now on that sim profile. Okay, okay.
American 2520, welcome to Miami, left to enable.
Left one,
2520, you going to the Delta gates?
A firm to the north side of the Delta gates.
American 2520, roger, taxi, exit there on uniform if able. Taxi via uniform, Papa Whiskey November, cross runway 12 at uniform.
At the Delta gates, we uniform, Papa Whiskey November, cross, American 2520. Oh.
folks, we got final approach. Let's go. Let's get her in.
American 917, good evening. Turn on your transponder for me, Squawk Mincy.
Miami approach, Mexico 156, with information Charlie on via true arrival leaving 8000.
American 150, Air Mexico 156, Miami approach. Good evening, sir. I don't. American 917, thanks. Runway 8 right, taxi via Whiskey Mike, altimeter 2983. Air Mexico 156, radar contact 30 miles west of the Miami airport. You can expect the ILS 10 left and...
Minimum. Rear Nottingham, we expect the ILS 10 left, altimeter 2983, Air Mexico 156.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
At Hull, if clear for ILS 10 left approach, Air Mexico 156.